Uh, since you all are demanding that it should start from the roots, so my topic for the report was the same. Wait, I would like to share a small presentation for the same. One second. So firstly, though, I'll apologize because I was under the impression that we have to only talk for 2 to 5 minutes, as ma'am had mentioned. So I didn't include much details in my presentation.
कोई बात नहीं, you'll get marks. Come, start.
Achha. One second. Huh?
I am the old fashioned. मैंने तो PPT नहीं तैयार किया.
Achha.
What did you do?
No, I just made a short one because I just included the synopsis. I have not mentioned the details about the reports in the synopsis. So as this is very much in demand, so my topic is holistic development in a child's foundational years through yoga education. So by yoga education, I need to brief that this is not only about the physical education, but the whole complete well-being for a child right from his foundational years. So this is the reason I took up this topic. And now this is like a very maybe from complex will come to a simple one, because my belief was let me first start with the simple and then go to the complex. Like first it will start from the home and then I'll take it towards the society. So my motto behind doing this project or this report was that first it should benefit from my home itself, and then I want to benefit the children in the society. So this is me. I'll just like to give a brief introduction first about myself. Why I'm giving this introduction, that I'll tell at the end. So I have done my master's in HR and finance, and afterwards I also did my special education in childcare, early childcare, after Swara was born. Uh, Initially, I was working with Bombay Stock Exchange in Department of Surveillance and Inspections. So majorly, I used to be handling like the regional stock exchanges and broker inspections and all these things from Bombay Stock Exchange. And then afterwards, again, I had started my own Plan HR consultancy. So I was doing the recruitments and all these things also. But after Swara was born, like my first child was born, then ultimately I took a setback from the job, and then I prioritize. I thought to give priority to the children first, my kids. So that's the reason I had left the job. So going ahead, as we see that it's not only the afterwards when I did my first yoga teacher training course, it was with the purpose that I want to do it for my own physical and personal well-being. But when I did the detailed teacher training course from Gantadi Mitra Mandal Thane, there I realized after studying the theory and the practical aspects of yoga and about knowing everything about the Ashtanga Yoga, like how are the stages in our life, how it should be, like why there is the importance of asana, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan. So after studying all these things, then I thought like, okay, let me take this ahead, and post this, then I did my one more special course from Utsav Institute itself from Forum Ma'am. That was Yoga for Children course. Because I thought with personal well-being, now my core interest was getting developed into yoga for children. So as we know that a sound mind in a sound body, we know this proverb and it's been taught from right from childhood. So, but if the body is healthy, but even if the mind is under any negative influence, then it will perform wrong actions through the body. So, the mental health in children has many dimensions, such as having healthy interactions with peers and teachers and being able to focus attention on specific activities. Okay, this is a very, we can say, a basic thing, that interactions with your peers, interactions with your teachers, or even if somebody is coming to your place and how the child behaves or how the child responds. So these are very basic things if we look into, but these are very subtler things. which we sometimes ignore. If the children is not giving a proper response, if the child is not responding in a proper way, we feel okay, let them be in their space. But it's not the case. There can be many reasons behind the child's that kind of behavior. So my motto was to study this behavior. So that's the reason I did this study of increasing importance in the sense of self-esteem, which is very important in children, and child's body image and eating behaviors. So I've included, when I did the report, I have included the importance of asana, the importance of breathing, even the importance of ahar, why it is so important, at like how we also came to know about the ahar, what forum ma'am also took, sattvic ahar, rajasic, and how then it has the after effects on our body. So that's the reason. One second. So yoga is an ancient way of life which includes practicing certain postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. Several studies have shown that yoga practice for varying durations, right, from 10 days to 6 months, can favorably influence hand steadiness as an indicator of concentration and hand grip strength, the degree of optical illusion, and finger dexterity. So it's right from your infancy stage. That means that how you are responding with the infant right from the infanthood, how much you are interactive or how the family's members are interactive, same way the response from the child begins from that stage itself. Yoga practice also improves the performance of children in a spatial memory task and in cancellation task requiring selective attention. Apart from children with normal health, regular yoga sessions of yoga can lead to children with diagnosed with ADHD and other challenges. So in my study, I have included the behavioral aspects of normal children, plus a little bit part of the study was also working towards the children who are now on day on basis mentally and physically challenged with different challenges in the society. So why yoga for children? So today we know, because this is, as we all spoke and had a discussion, that it's so much of sedentary lifestyle, and about, we also spoke about wrong breathing, right breathing. We also spoke about the daily miss routine and all these things. So this was basically even the children, as Latika was also mentioning about the video addiction or other, even these gadgets. So nowadays, like children have more of the time watching on TV or on other computer games and all these things. So all these things affects them physically also, and also affects them mentally too. So things such as children dragging their feet while walking, improper gait, slouching, lack of spatial judgment, uncontrolled body movement, lack of sense of order. So many things are there which, for which yoga practices can help in different manner. So when we say about yoga practice, it was not only about asana, but also different types of yoga. For example, simple, if karma yoga, if we want to teach to children, so it starts from from small duties what we allot to children right from the home. So how they get used to about doing their own daily karmas, and what are the aftermaths about it. So it's about that. So mainly it is like I'm not able to get the screen. Ha, I got it. So this was very simple in a common man language. If I'll say in Gujarati, is like how you have that specialty dish undio. So undio ke liye you have to get ready so many vegetables, cutting, chopping, and all these things. So that's a prior preparation for the undio, right? So in a day advance or in 2 days in advance, you start planning for that grand vegetable which you want to make. So for me, it's like that. This journey had started right from 2 years back. So currently, I'm in the preparation stage. And since I have time now, so I want to study this subject as a whole, which will benefit for my children. And then when time comes, I'm planning to take it ahead for the children in the society. So it's that way. So it's now I can see a lot of difference how it helped. Even after doing yoga for children course, it was very helpful, because especially in the pandemic situation, when we used to daily have, I already had so many things handy from that course, because of the course, that every day it was not a boredom for me or my kids, even like how to keep them engaged, or these questions were never there, because I was already with so much of treasure and knowledge of yogic games and all these activities. So that kept me and kids also busy. So these are like, even now every day it's a rich routine practice, like starting from morning prayers, or at night also before sleeping, the prayers. So what we are saying ki distractions or influence, as you were talking about it, Tejal, you mentioned that if you are working somewhere and other 10 people are drinking, and if we are not drinking, still that pressure or something which we feel. So basically this is required, this proper conscious education is required right from childhood, so that mentally we are so strong. In my own example, I'll say, after doing my childcare education and all this, I had again joined back to Podar school, Podar International. But in 6 months, 8 months of time, I realized that whatever teachers as a teacher are preaching, or to the children, but they themselves are not following. Like what I used to see, the after school routine, the nightlife and all these things, whatever they used to plan, and I was never part of all that, because somehow it's not fitting in my personality traits. Because thankfully I'm completely blessed with all that, ki I know what my focus is, or I know what kind of lifestyle I'm living, and that is correct for me, so that I decide for myself. So same things I wanted to put in my child too, कि okay, you will get 10 distractions at a time, but if the roots are strong, they'll again come back to us. So अगर पता है कि अहमदाबाद जाना है ट्रेन से, and सूरत में वड़ा पाव is very tasty, maybe they'll get down, they'll have vada pav, but at least they'll not get stuck with the vada pav there, and उसमें ट्रेन निकल जाएगा. Means if it's just a common example कि ऐसे ही लाइफ में when you know कि what is your focus going ahead, but even if कुछ नेगेटिव इन्फ्लुएंस बीच में आता भी है, बिकॉज certainly outside society is now so complicated for them and so challenging, these peer pressure and feeling complex and all these things would be there. But even if those are there, they, if mentally they are strong and they know ki their roots, what are their some scars, so they'll again come back to us. So mainly my target is that only, that first I'll put that into my children, and it's not, then it will not be just a plain parenting, it will be a conscious parenting for me. So it's that. So even these are some of the, I've just included some of the pics what even they are practicing. This is just, yeah, I've put, she's 3 year old now, but every day before sleeping, we have a routine that we chant 5 omkars before sleeping, and then we chant the Krishna prayer, and we do Hari Om Tat Sat, and then only kids go to sleep. Though that's right from morning when they wake up. So what is the sattvic child behavior? It's inculcated in Swara. Like she knows if the, means these are very simple things कि उठने के बाद nowadays kids are so pampered that they don't even fold their chadar, you know, उठने के बाद वो भी नहीं है कि many of them I've seen in our society itself कि kids are so used to कि they will be only, they know कि सब ready handmade मिल रहा है, and that's how they are doing it. बट व्हेन चिल्ड्रन, मैं वही बताती हूँ कि उठने के बाद खुद का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खुद है कि टू फोल्ड योर ओन, इवन इफ द मेड इज देयर एंड एवरीथिंग आर देयर, बट टू डू योर ओन थिंग्स, that really matters, and that's how they'll start taking charge of their own life going ahead. So this is Swara. So Swara is now practicing even asana practice and all. Also, she is doing so nicely, and also the overall things like activities. If we say in a day, even I have to keep a proper timetable and schedule for Swara, because she is doing so many activities now that I don't even remember many a times ki आज ये है, आज ये है. Like even the mental activities, for mental activities she is doing Homi Baba, or all these things are there. even Vedic maths and so many things. Like in a day, she has just a routine set. And we teach them, or it's mentioned in books, that early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy. But it doesn't happen. Many a times, जैसे जैसे वो बड़े होते हैं, it doesn't happen. बट अगर बचपन से ही वो बॉडी क्लॉक आपका सेट है और मेंटल क्लॉक भी सेट है कि यस आई हैव टू वेक अप एट 5:30, आई हैव टू वेक अप एट 6 o'clock, दिस शुड बी माय रूटीन, आई हैव, सो ऑटोमेटिकली दे स्लीप ऑन टाइम एट 9 o'clock. So this is there. This is me practicing, celebrating International Yoga Day का हमारा पिक्स है. So that's how we celebrate it. Thank you.
Very nice. Very sweet. Very nice.
That's very nice, Megha.
Thank you.
Megha, your preparation is so good. No doubt you'll get delicious undio.
Very true.
That's what Swara now, she has learned, like she's very much interested in Western singing. So she has made her own YouTube channel, or jisme Western singing, if you listen, ki anybody will say ki she goes for some coaching or something, but she's done. But on the other end, she's doing Gita chanting too. मतलब इतना extremities है, but that's a all-round personality traits what she is showing. एक साइड में शी इज नाउ एट द कथक का 4 years, she like 4th level पे है, शी इज लर्निंग कथक. बट ऑन द अदर एंड इफ वी make her do any other dance type also, no, so she will do even mastery, public speaking and all these things, like so many things. But I feel good when other 5 people are coming and if they tell you and compliment you ki your child is doing this thing so nicely, and like you are unaware and what she's doing at school, and if you get feedback, so positive feedback, so always it feels ki okay. So that's the reason when I gave my introduction. So when I was first in that duality state initially, whether to leave such a esteemed job and how it will be and all those things, but I used to listen to Sadhguru's many a time. I still listen to Sadhguru. So in one of the lecture or one of the session, he had mentioned that when you become a mother, it's a straightway 20-year contract you sign. That's a straightway 20-year contract with the child which you sign. So that really convinced me a lot. And then I decided, okay, my priority is first my child, and I want to create the future through this. So now I feel when we were learning about the happiness quest, so this is actual happiness. Now I feel ki okay, it's not ki money only matters every time. Like so many times in Podar school also, when I was working, and we see kids, poor kids, they used to be in daycare from 7:30 to evening 7 o'clock, and both the parents were working, but then they had speech issues and other issues. So instead of that, I feel ki if we could give first priority to them, and then gradually now it's not ki I'm not doing anything. I'm getting so much of value education from here by learning this, taking up these courses. So now this is the preparation. So
But
other techniques and
but
everything.
you
Yes.